It's a box and it rocks. It just might blow off your socks. The only thing that's missing is the fact it doesn't talk.
I'm Dan.
And I'm Roffi.
Welcome to another episode of Tech I Want.
Whether or not you like what we're doing or not, just press the subscribe button. It does help us out quite a bit.
Comment, what you like, what you don't like.
Yeah, we're really interested in hearing all about that, especially if you like it. If you don't like it, you can send it to Danny's personal Instagram.
So I wake up too early and you don't see the time, you don't know what time it is. You check out your phone and all of a sudden it's just the sun is blasting in your face. And whether you like it or not, you're awake.
Could I just say that when you wake up too early, the sun is already blasting in your face?
The phone. I was using a metaphor.
The phone.
Yeah,
Oh, okay, I see.
Don't you feel that?
You're
and then all of a
late
sudden
rising.
you're like, your monkey mind thinks, I'm awake.
You're right.
I just saw daylight. Now
Right.
try going back to sleep after that.
It's difficult. Once you wake up, it's hard to get back to sleep. And with today's product, I think that they're hoping to solve that. It's not something that interferes with that cycle. Rather, what it does is it gives you a soft little light to tell you whether it's time to wake up or whether it's okay to go back to sleep.
It's the alarm you never thought you needed. And it's called?
zLight.
Let's check it out. Pass it over here. Ooh.
So this is how it comes.
Nice little cardboard box. zLight there on the top. And this is your zLight. Oh, it's lighter than I thought. Check it out. Little happy smile there.
That's cute.
On the box.
I like that. Yeah, this is super lightweight. If we look underneath, a little pad right here. It's pretty cool.
We have an old charging cable. Looks like it's been used for a few years. Well, you unboxed it, didn't you? And you tried it out yesterday.
Yeah, so I unboxed this yesterday and I gave it a whirl and I have my own review. Please, editor, roll that footage. I've got plans to get up really early. We're gonna go for a hike tomorrow morning. And so the plan is to use the zLight to help wake us up on time. So I'm gonna set it up and we'll record everything, and in the morning I'll give my review. So, according to my zLight, it's about 6 o'clock in the morning right now. Came into the other room because I don't want to wake up my partner. That's definitely one thing the zLight is not. It's not an alarm clock. What it is it's a pretty cool, indicator light. In the middle of the night, I had to get up. I had to go pee, and the light was not on yet, so I knew that I had many more hours to sleep. But this morning, I woke up and I saw this bright blue light shining back at me, and I don't know exactly what time it is because of the alarm I set, or the configuration that I made says that it can be anywhere between 6 and 8 o'clock in the morning, so I know it's morning. I don't know exactly what hour it is, I just know it's time to get up. It was pleasant, it was nice. One thing I can say though that's positive is that now I know that blue o'clock is time to have some coffee, so that's what I'm gonna do now. So when we're looking at this thing, it is pretty simple. It looks like just a normal little box, but there's actually quite a bit of tech inside, and at the same time, I think it's really that simplicity which is kind of the selling factor of this thing.
It's very minimalist. I think it'd fit with any room, any decoration.
Yeah.
And they have different colors, different finishes. Yeah, so you'd set it up. Let's see, let's plug it in and show people what we're talking about. So there's this little, see-through patch down here. Makes it look like your zLight's floating. And it's fairly easy to get it connected up with the app. So it connects via Bluetooth.
Right.
Pairs pretty easily. Oh, boom, we're in. So we can change the power of the light.
Right, the intensity changes.
Yeah.
And then just let's take a look. Yeah, so you can change the color as well.
It's got the full spectrum, huh? Mm-hmm. Full rainbow on your desk.
Which I think alone, just that feature is pretty cool.
Yeah. It's a little mood lighting. You never
Right.
know what you're gonna be getting up to at night in your bedroom.
Wink, wink, nudge, nudge.
You know? Is red your jam? Do you want a little blue light?
Right.
And so now we've programmed in 2 colors, huh? Between blue and red. Is that right?
Right, so at 2 a.m., it comes on with the blue light that we see here, and then it slowly fades to red until 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock, it stays red indefinitely.
And so I guess the idea behind this is if you wake up in the middle of the night, you don't want to check your phone. You don't want to roll over, open up your phone, get blasted, as we said, by the sunlight, fake sunlight of your phone. You just want to be able to, you know, turn your head, see what color it is. Is it blue? You know, it's 2 o'clock, you don't need to wake up. But if it's red, you gotta...
If it's red, you go back to bed.
There's also others that have more features. Actually, I know that there's different levels of this product. Right now, the one that we're looking at is zLight Plus. This is the Plus model. There's also...
Plus flat. I think there's also a bigger Plus.
Right, and speaking with the manufacturers, they said that this is just one of various options. There's also others that have more features, such as CO2 sensors, air quality sensors.
So this is it. So the features that these two share, they both have the light, as we can see. They both have wireless charging. Let's get this set up so you can see. So wireless charging works on both of them, doesn't
Nice, yep.
and it's not just your phone. Whether it's an iPhone or an Android, both of them charge, but you can also charge your other devices. Let's see if we can find our producer, Ruben, who's an Apple lover, and get his Apple Watch and AirPods.
Oh.
Ah, there he is.
Yeah. Here they are, the Apple Watch.
Okay, let's see how this works. There we go. Okay.
Nice.
So that's charging. We've got the phone, the Apple Watch, and
the AirPods. And that's charging
there we
as
go.
well. So there's 3 chargers inside of the zLight. We have the main one in the center, we have one specific for the iWatch, and then we have another that's supposed to charge any other device, such as the AirPods.
And if you wanted to, I think, yep, there you go. You can also charge your AirPods in the middle, but the watch only charges on the side.
And kind of what's interesting is that this is something that's came from an idea from Mark Zuckerberg. And let me read it off the screen here. Back in April of 2019, he showed the world a similar sleep box he'd built for his wife and challenged the world to make their own, which is how we get today's zLight.
Z for Zuckerberg.
Right.
Not much is known about the team, and there's only one man listed as a campaign owner. Although looking through the Indiegogo page, we see that there is quite a large team of engineers, designers, and craftspeople putting all this together from conception to delivery. So they went live sometime in 2019, and they raised $230,000 thanks to nearly 4,300 backers on Indiegogo. And have since remained on in demand, increasing to over 5,000 backers and nearly 370,000 raised.
Wow.
We did see quite a few complaints on their Indiegogo page. It seems a lot of people haven't received their zLights yet, but I guess that's to be expected, no? With 2020.
2020. What else can we say? There's been a lot of issues going on with logistics of getting things from one part of the world to the other. So at the end of the day, this is just another piece of unobtrusive technology that kind of just simply gets put into your life.
And with its stylish, levitating light, it can fit in any room. And add to that the wireless charging, and it has its practical applications too.
Yeah, functional piece of technology that looks good.
So this was zLight, and this is Tech I Want.
I was Roffi.
And I'm Dan.
I still am Roffi. Guys, if you like what we're doing, please give us a big thumbs up.
Let us know in the comments what you thought about the zLight, what you think about the show, and be sure to subscribe.
Yeah. Until next time, we're out.
See you later.
See ya.